giving back. This is about showing how much we care about you, how much we respect your service, and how much what we hope that our partnership continues to grow. So good luck to all of you, and thank you for being here. And again, on behalf of the Dallas Cowboys and Jones family, welcome to AT&T Stadium.
You know, we activated today because it's just such a really cool function to be a part of.
We support our veterans. Probably 40% or so of our employees are veterans.
It's an easy transition for them to come to AMR and work as a medic or an EMT in the field.
It was a no-brainer. We had to be out here to show our support for our military. It's part of what we do.
Ford Motor Company gives a big thanks to the Dallas Cowboys and Caliber Collision for having us out at the event today.
Our founder was a veteran, and we're proud to be here serving our veterans, bringing them onto our team.
And we're just really excited to support all of the community events and the military events that the Cowboys support.
We want to give back to the community, and we're just glad to be here.
Thank you to the Cowboys and Caliber Collision for hosting us today.
Over the past 6 years, Caliber Collision has gifted over 300 vehicles as a way to help their members provide them reliable transportation. Now it's time to have some fun on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. What I'd like to do is call up our female winner of Sarah Haas and our male winner, Dylan Crafton. Congratulations, Sarah. And congratulations, Dylan.
This was just so awesome. It's overwhelming to see the amount of support here for soldiers. And then this event in itself was so big.
As a kid, you dream about things like this, and I would have never ever thought I'd be doing something like this. So it's amazing.
I would like to thank the Dallas Cowboys and Caliber Collision for putting on today's event.
We highly appreciate you, and it was an amazing time. Thank you so much.